This is Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen up. Wagwan Jamaica, you don't know. Echo Street now play pretty on the news. Straight facts, street reasoning, no filter, no frills. Make we talk the things them from July 5. One more man dead after house blaze. Catch all burn up. 5 o'clock this morning. Fire lick down a catching all when flames cool off. Then find a woman dead in the rubble. Nobody can name her yet, but the community hush up. Shock still dep on the face them. Echo say, burn down your house and mash up the whole life. So make sure you fire thing them proper. Cause this sad bad. 2 more shot down Manchester and Spanish Town run red violence. Now ease up first. In a Manchester farmer youth Chevrolet done well. Get bun up for nothing but bad mind. Then short man, real name Kishore McFarlane. Get catching a shelter rock. Spanish Town them wet him up. Echo say, this gun business still now. When we are deal with community peace. 3 gun and shot fine hide up on the fridge. St. Andrew South hot police. Red a man place fine gun a whole heap of ammunition under him fridge like him did. Hide fish man charge for that. Echo say, 1 gun off of the street good. But me want see the big fish them drop to no just little hide and go seek foolishness. 4-piece boat reach my be survivors from Hiroshima step ashore Montego Bay get visit from some real survivors. People will live through Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Bomb back in the day them pon the peace boat. Spreading the message so we can't make war mash we up again. Echo big them up. Whole heap of respect. 5 draughts team I make move Jamaica ready for Florida. While some man I make war. No youth a sharpen them brain. Jamaica draughts team head out for Florida for the RP championships. Big up Wayne Shines Reed and the squad. Echo say, youth for say mind game a real game too. Brain win wars. Sick Remittance tax still a bun people let Jamaicans abroad a vex. But this new 1% Remittance tax where you come December I mash up them plan for help yard. Echo say, every dollar matter and government have to watch how them treat with diaspora. RL support a dry up. $7 creeping up again. JS it's the 79 to 1 currency slide again. The US dollar climb 17 cents on Friday. Echo say food price, gas price, everything lick when dollar move. We can't make it spiral, our people belly empty. Colorado street summary the place still too hot. Fire attack life, gunman a spread death. Police get some gun but big man them still loose. Hiroshima survivors remind we say peace no soft it vital. Youth them representing Pandrat's board. Proud moment. Remittance tax upon the diaspora. US dollar a crawl, price hike a follow. So remember we can't only ball pon badness. Time to build, protect and reason. Echo Street now hide the truth. Like, comment sure to keep the reasoning. Real subscribe. Echo Street now filter nothing but respect.
Well, like, share, subscribe. This is Echo News Jamaica where the street talk mixed with real talk. See you next time. Same vibes, same fire, always no try.
Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop. Charles from another mouth, Echo News shop. BS up another mouth, Echo News shop. Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop. Charles from another mouth, Echo News shop. BS up another mouth, Echo News shop. From London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibes, big sound system. Every day you feeling still up on the rhythm. Light all us twice to the earth on the day. Come on full up till I touch chilling at the round the day. So you want for the clean to the papa day. Come on full up for me cannot approve by day. Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop. Just a man on the mouth, Echo News shop. Please a man on the mouth, Echo News shop. Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop, Echo News shop. Just a man on the mouth, Echo News shop. Please a man on the mouth, Echo News shop. Joy Cognos, yeah. The real source for now. Top in, link